undervaluation of asset is normally like we have to increase the value because जो value कम हो चुका है, undervalue हो चुका है, that we have to increase. So it's like appreciation, but only for rupees, not for percentage. Okay, and overvaluation means जो बढ़ चुका है, overvalue हो गया है, so that we have to subtract like depreciation, but that depreciation normal like only for rupees, but we have percentage that will be treated separately. Okay, so undervaluation you will add if you have given in rupees, overvaluation you will subtract like depreciation if you have given in rupees, but you have to be very careful if the undervaluation of asset is given in the percentage and overvaluation in the percentage. Okay, like if you see this example, if your machinery is 1,80,000 and the adjustment says machinery is undervalued by 10%, it means this value is 90% of actual book value. Okay, try to understand. Machinery is undervalued by 10% means this value whatever is given is undervalued by 10%, means the actual value is 100%, so this value is 90% of the book value. So you will do this is just an explanation, you can do directly also. Let the machinery's value be x. So 1,80,000 is 90%. How this 90% came? 10% undervalue means 100 minus 10, so this 90%. So this 1,80,000 is 90% of x. So this will go this side reciprocal. So x came 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees is the actual 100% value. So machinery will be rupees 2 lakh. This is just an explanation. You can do directly like this. If you have undervaluation of 10%, directly take the reciprocal and take this after minusing that percentage. Like if you have 10%, then 90. If you have 20, then take 80. Okay, in that way. So your actual value is rupees 2 lakh. What was the previous value? 1 lakh. It means you have to increase by 20. Second effect, income increase in asset is your profit, income, revaluation, credit side. In the same way, if you have furniture undervalued by 20%, 20% means 100 minus 20, so 80%. So whatever value is given 2,40,000 is 80% of the actual value. So if we say let the actual value of furniture is y, so 2,40,000 is 80% of y. This 80 came, I am repeating again, 100 minus 20. Okay, so reciprocal of this, so actual value is 3 lakh. If you don't want to give this explanation, you can do directly furniture in the bracket. This 2,40,000 multiply reciprocal of percentage remaining means 100 upon 80. I repeat again, if you have 10%, you will take directly 90. If you have 20, you will take 80. So the actual book value came for furniture is 3 lakh. So it was previously 2,40,000 in the question. Now we have to increase it by 60,000. So increase in asset, revaluation, credit side. Okay. And if you have given stock undervalued by rupees 5,000, so directly, as I told you in the beginning, directly will plus 5,000. Okay. Now one more example for overvaluation. Now in overvaluation, again the same. If you have plant and machine 2,20,000, machine is overvalued by 10%. So directly you can do like this: 2,20,000 multiply reciprocal of 100 upon 110. Whenever you have overvalue means this value is overvalued by 10%, means this value is 110%. This value is 120%. So you will take reciprocal. If you take reciprocal over here, you will get your actual value. And if you want to use this basic of mathematics, so you can write 2,20,000 is 110% of x. So your x is 2 lakh is the actual value. Same goes for furniture. 2,60,000 is 120% of y. Reciprocal value is 3 lakh. So previously it was 2,20,000. Now it is 2 lakh. So we have to decrease it by 20,000. Previously it was 2,60,000. Now we have decreased it by 60,000. So the actual value is 2 lakh and 3 lakh. The decrease in asset means your loss. Revaluation debit side, machinery, furniture. And if you have given stock overvalued by 5,000, so whenever it's overvalued by rupees 5,000, so directly you will minus. Okay. I hope you have understood this concept, undervaluation, overvaluation. Thank you.